Hello, my name is Marla Di Chanco Burgos and I'm from Cebu, Philippines. I'm the one supplying in Kusina, Manila Sizzling Walk and Grill, Filipino Village, Asian Mart, and Kumain. Those are all the restaurants and Filipino groceries. Now I have the ube biko with leche flan topping. It's composed of sweet rice with ube flavor and a custard filling on top. And this one we call this Tres Marias, budbud or suman. This is inside of this has 3 different kinds of sweet rice. There's a chocolate flavor of the ube, and we call that the millet. And it's really good. You should try this. And then this one is the ginataang bilo-bilo with langka. It's like it's like the flavored halo-halo. Halo-halo is the cold one, but this one is the warm. You have to eat it in warm, thing. And then this one is the sugar-coated peanuts. We call that piñato. And it's really good. So. Thank you so much, and I hope you will enjoy and try the Filipino food and pastries that I made. Thank you so much.